Is your Nissan Leaf key fob not working? The most common fix is a simple battery replacement. The Nissan Leaf key fob uses a CR232 battery. First, locate the seam on your key fob, usually on the back or side. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry the case open. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up, positive side. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive side facing the same way as the old battery. Snap the case shut and test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons from a short distance. If it works, you're done. This DIY fix can save you money compared to a dealer visit. If your Nissan Leaf key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, there may be other issues to check. Let's troubleshoot step by step. First, check for corrosion on the battery contacts inside the fob. Battery leakage can cause buildup that prevents proper connection. Open the fob case carefully and inspect the contacts. Signal interference can also cause problems. Metal structures or electronic devices nearby might block the radio frequency signal. Test the fob away from such obstacles. As a last resort, try reprogramming the fob. Enter your vehicle's settings menu or consult a local mechanic. Hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for reprogramming. If reprogramming doesn't work, the fob itself might be dead. This can happen after years of use or due to internal damage. You'll need a replacement fob from a dealer. Looking ahead, keyless entry systems are becoming more common in new vehicles, but physical key fobs will persist in older models like the Nissan Leaf. This emphasizes the importance of DIY skills for maintenance.